Okay, so here I have a question. This question I have taken from JEE 2002 paper. Okay, so what is the question? If a charge q is placed at the center of the line joining two equal charges q such that the system is in equilibrium, then the value of is small q is. So according to the question, two charges is there. One charge is capital Q, another charge is also capital Q. So two charges are there. Okay, clear? Got it? In between these two charges, at the midpoint, I'm keeping small q amount of charge, right? Clear? Now the system will be in equilibrium. When the system is in equilibrium, what is the condition for system? For system in system is in equilibrium, what is the condition to keep a system in equilibrium? The net force must be 0. So what is the condition to keep a system in equilibrium? That net force must be 0. Clear? So how many forces are acting in this question? Okay, so how many forces are acting? So two charges are there, right? And in between these two charges there is a small q charges. What is the condition of what will be the value of a small q? That the two charges is in equilibrium. So let us consider what is the distance between these two charges, d. Clear? So how many forces are acting? Okay, so what are the forces between these two? Clear? So q into q, right, by d by 2 whole square, okay, with constant k, plus between these two charges q into q by d square with a constant. What is the net force? To keep a system in equilibrium, so condition, so net force must be 0. Got it? Okay, now so if the net force is 0, according to the question, the net force must be 0. Clear? So from our question, what will be the remaining value? So the remaining value will be, if you check this one, so what will be the remaining value? The remaining value will be q into q, right, by 4. Okay, here will be 4 into, if I solve it, clear? So 4 by d square plus q square by d square equals to 0. Okay, now what can I write here? I can write here that 4 into q, clear, plus q, okay, just solving this equation, equals to 0, right? So what can I write here? That q will be minus q by 4. So what is the answer here? Q equals to minus q by 4. So which option is correct? Option D is correct here. Okay, clear students? So it was given in JEE 2002. Clear? So what is the condition? Again read the question once. If a charge q is placed at the center of the line joining two charges q such that the system is in equilibrium, then the value of QE. So two charges are there, one charge is q here, another charges is also q here. Clear? What is the in between these two charges we are keeping a third charge. What is the third charge? Small q. So what is the condition? The condition is the system will be in equilibrium. Clear? So what is the condition of equilibrium? The condition of equilibrium, net force must be 0. Clear? So if you want to keep net force must be 0, so how many forces are acting between these two charges? There is one force. Between these charges there is other force. Okay, so what is the net force? So q into a small q by d by 2 whole square, right? Because what is the distance between them? The total distance between capital Q and small q is d. So what will be the distance between the small q and capital Q? D by 2. So d by 2 whole square, right, plus k into q by d square equals to 0, right? After solving this, we are getting here what is the value of small q? Small q is q by 4. So that is my answer.